Southern Legal Counsel advocates for Floridians with the most severe civil legal needs and the least access to the justice system. In over 40 years of operation, the Gainesville-based statewide nonprofit law firm has improved millions of lives. Its small litigation team takes on big cases, winning victories that impact thousands of people. The systemic change Southern Legal Counsel brings about not only affects the Floridians of today, but of generations to come. And this small but mighty firm does it all on less than $1 million a year. Nearly 90% of Southern Legal Counsel's budget is spent on direct legal advocacy, placing it among the most efficient legal services organizations in America. Your contribution to Southern Legal Counsel funds access to the legal system, justice for those most vulnerable, impact far beyond one person. Here's one example how Southern Legal Counsel's work on behalf of a single client affected thousands. Anthony Cummings was an Ocala, Florida resident experiencing homelessness. He'd lost his driver's license when he was unable to pay more than $800 in court fees and fines for violating the city's open lodging ordinance, which makes it a crime to dwell outdoors anywhere within the city limits. Southern Legal Counsel could have just gone to court to ask the judge to put him on a payment plan. Instead, they investigated the legal basis for the fees and driver's license suspension and found they were not authorized by law. By challenging the court's authority, Southern Legal Counsel, in partnership with the ACLU of Florida, achieved relief for more than 10,000 drivers in 23 Florida counties in a similar situation. Southern Legal Counsel provided access. Homeless and unable to afford a lawyer, Cummings got access to the legal system through Southern Legal Counsel's advocacy in an area of the law other legal aid organizations lack the resources to handle. Justice. Cummings got his license back and his fees forgiven. Even better, the court ruled that the clerk was violating state law in collecting the fees for local ordinance violations in the first place, so the fees will no longer be charged to others in Marion County. Impact. Southern Legal Counsel didn't stop with one county. Its litigation team made sure more than 10,000 Floridians also got court fees eliminated and their driver's licenses reinstated by advocating with the Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles, which sent letters to all the clerks who had been charging unlawful fees. Meanwhile, Southern Legal Counsel has challenged the constitutionality of the ordinance in federal court through a class action lawsuit. Southern Legal Counsel uses this same systemic approach when advocating for Florida's most vulnerable and at-risk populations, from school children with disabilities to older adults trying to avoid nursing homes, to transgender individuals facing discrimination in their workplaces, schools, and communities. By supporting Southern Legal Counsel, you are standing up for the constitutional, civil, and human rights of Floridians with nowhere else to turn. Access. Justice. Impact. Southern Legal Counsel.